2026 Photoshop hand cursor issue. No matter what I would do, the hand would just not go away. I could select the brush, crop, whatever. I tried a couple of different things. It did not quite work. Ended up disabling a few settings and then rebooting the entire computer. Just closing Photoshop will not do. So let's give this a shot. Let's hit Command-K on a Mac and go down to Tools. So I did enable the flick panning. So I disabled that. And then I also disabled the spring-loaded tool shortcuts. Close Photoshop, rebooted. I have everything back. It is working as designed. So if I press V or I press H, I get my hand back and I can let go of my hand. So I'm a happy camper. Issue resolved. Peace.